This is female number 1, along with my granddaughter Mia, Pixi and Max. Okay, Mia, if you can put her down on the grass. There we go. Thank you. Just the past 3 or 4 days, they're running around now. A week ago, they were just kind of still walking and not real steadily at that. And there she goes.
Hey, gotta get out of the way. Today is a week.
Here she comes.
We get a week. So it's not like 5 days, you just have art.
Can I tell you one more time? Can you not?
Watch out for this. Don't throw it. Oh, look at that dog. I'm gonna pick up turns.
This is female number 2. Okay, Mia. Can you put her on the grass for me again? Thank you.
Tommy, how about we do this? Remember what I said? Now I'm rubbing his tummy. Oh my God. Tommy, we can do these things.
Oh yeah.
So Tommy, you find one that you want.
Shake. Good girl.
Tommy, how about you find one that you want to do? Hey. I love his tummy. Like this one right here.
Away for a second.
Connor. Connor. Quit it.
So you want to get piggyback? Yeah. Or if we have to kind of stand on. Really? Oh.
Here, jump.
Tommy can almost like carry me like a piggyback.
Okay. Here is male number 1. Pixi and Max. I go in close up.
Here, get on my comfy.
What you got your tongue out for?
Maybe that's
Okay, Mia.
okay. Put it on the ground.
Please.
There we go.
I don't think so. I'm way too heavy.
Let's see if I can
Nice
walk.
guy.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's it. Oh no! Push you guys. Grandma. Grandma. So who is teaching doing? Thank you, Lord. I'm going to get on here.
Pixi sticks.
On us.
This is male number 2. Pixi and Max. Okay. Put him down, Mia, for me, please. There we go. Thank you. Whoa!
Okay. And go.
Yeah, he's good. I can dial him in.
Here, toss it over here. Toss it.
If I could see past Danny's leg. There we go.
You're not a dog.
Okay, that was Pixi. Here we go. Male number 3. Trying to go to sleep in Mia's arms. Tired puppy. Okay, Mia.
Now that one almost hit your head.
Doesn't take very long to
Start the test.
wipe these guys out.
Don't.
He's tired, little boy. I love his freckled nose. Oh, you know what? He looks very similar to Pixi when she was that age. I will get a picture of her and probably attach it right to this video. Very similar. In fact, I think she's on the front page of my website.
Well, honey, if I don't toss it to you like that, then you won't do it.
Poor little guy, he's tired. Sorry I can't get better video of him. Woke him up to bring him out here, number 1. Oh. That's his brother. Says, leave me alone, I'm trying to sleep. Oh,
Ferocious.
they are ferocious. That's the most I've seen. Oh, and there's
the
Pixi.
face.
She's
Butt
checking
in
them
the
out.
face.
Okay, now I just have random video. These two are still having at it. One wants to play, one doesn't.
What? Good? Good?
Here, I'll try to go to sleep.
Mom, catch!
Try to take him inside again. Don't want bugs all over him. There's the other one. Sleeping too. Definitely time to get him inside. Wow. Been outside for maybe a half hour. Tuckered him out.